To create a US PayPal account, you will need to follow these steps. First, go to the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to choose your account type, either personal or business. If you are an individual, choose the personal account option. Next, you will be asked to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. You will also be asked to provide your name, address, and phone number. After providing the required information, you will be asked to link a funding source to your PayPal account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. You will need to provide the account or card details, including the account number, routing number, and expiration date. Once you have linked a funding source, you will be asked to confirm your email address. PayPal will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address. After confirming your email address, you will be able to use your PayPal account to send and receive payments. You can also add additional funding sources, such as multiple bank accounts or credit cards, to your account. To verify your account and lift the sending limit, you will need to provide additional information, such as your social security number and date of birth. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that your account is secure. It is also important to note that PayPal has certain fees associated with its services, such as transaction fees and currency conversion fees. Make sure to review the fees and terms of service before using your account. In conclusion, creating a US PayPal account is a straightforward process that requires providing some basic information and linking a funding source. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and functional PayPal account to send and receive payments online.